Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the online life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. That was a day that I would never ever forget in my life, because that was the day when I parted ways with my business partner due to some differences in the business. I walked to the bus stop and then I got the bus, and luckily I managed to get a window seat for myself. Now my journey home would take about 1.5 hours. Now the events at the factory should have made my journey back home very depressing. But surprisingly, I found that particular day there was a very nice cool breeze blowing, and this breeze was really, making me feel very relaxed. It was soothing my nerves and it was making my heart sing. Throughout the journey, I was singing my favorite songs. I was repeatedly singing the song, Chodo Kal Ki Baatein, Kal Ki Baat Purani. Then I was singing Thandi Hawa, Ye Chandni Suhani. Then किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार. And another of my favorite was Hammat Wale Naujawan. So I was continually singing these songs over and over again till I reached my home. I think this song singing helped me in not getting negative or depressed, and it helped me to take new action. So my message to you is, have at least 5 favorite songs that inspire you, they motivate you, make you feel good about yourself. They really touch your heart. And whenever you experience a bad situation, a bad event, or any adversity, I suggest that you just start singing these songs, and soon your mood will change and your feelings will change, your thinking will change, your actions will change, and finally the results will also change. So I hope you like the idea. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So thanks for watching this video. See you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.